Welcome back everyone. Today I have here the seat attachment for my Hover 1 Pioneer electric scooter. This seat is designed specifically for the Xiaomi M365, but for the fact that the Pioneer is almost identical in design to the M365, this seat should have no problem fitting onto the scooter. Out of the box, it comes with a nice leather seat, the seat post, the mounting plate, some tools and screws, and an instruction manual. First off, we will need to set up the seat post. This tube just go in like so, and you can lock it into place. You will use the provided Allen key to remove the screw to install the post onto the mounting plate. After the post is on the mounting plate securely, you can easily lock into place. To install a seat, we will first need to unscrew this bolt. You will keep the tube bracket on the side so we can use it to attach a post. We won't be using the metal piece. Once the seat is on, we need to make sure it's locked in there nice and tight, so it will not move when you're sitting on it. The mounting plate fits perfectly as I suspected. There's 2 bolts on each side and 2 on the back of the mounting plate that you will screw in to secure the plate onto the deck of the scooter. The bottom should look like this once the mount plate has been installed. I left one of the back screw out as the brake cable was in the way, but still with 5 screws, the mount plate is not going to go anywhere. The mounting plate sit perfectly on the deck and flush against the back of the scooter, giving it an overall nice OEM look. It sits on there firmly so you don't have to worry about any movement during use. Both the mount and post lock works great in keeping the post and seat stable, and they make it easy to fold down the seat for easy transportation or storage. The post has a built-in shock absorber that helps soften cracks and bumps that you may encounter. The height can be adjusted from 20 to 28 inches. The seat has some thick inner foam with a nice leather cover stitched around the seat. Right beneath the seat, you will notice the dual springs. This spring helps support the seat and shocks to help make your ride more comfortable. Overall, the seat doesn't look too bad and seems to be a great addition to the scooter, as now you can either ride the scooter standing up or sitting down. This will be perfect for those long trips, as it will allow you to rest your feet from time to time. Setting up the seat is quick and simple and only take a few seconds to set up. By the time you know it, you'll be riding in no time. Folding down the seat is as easy as setting it up. All you need to do is unlock the mount and post lock to release the seat. With the seat in the folding position, you can now fold the seat down and easily carry with you if needed. With the seat attached, you do sacrifice the space available to you on the deck for your feet. You'll be left with 11 inches of space from the mount to the head tube. It's not a lot of space, but enough to at least put your feet on. The shock absorber is not the smoothest, but it does help smooth out your ride when you hit those nasty bumps and cracks. So far, using the seat has been a nice experience. I like the fact that you have the option to stand up or sit down when you want to. The seat is not the best, but neither is it the worst. The foam's not too hard and does not put a lot of pressure on your back end, but you find yourself switching position here and there to relieve some of that pressure. If the seat does not work for you, you can always buy a better seat to replace this one. Many people may think the idea of adding a seat to the scooter and sitting down like this may make you look silly and lazy, but it is actually quite enjoyable and more relaxing than standing up. Just wait till they get to try the seat on the scooter. They will not want to get off. and might even take off with it. Everyone that was able to get a go on my scooter really enjoyed it. Some even preferred it over standing up. I can only imagine how enjoyable would this be riding down the coast as you enjoy the nice beautiful beach on a sunny day. Sitting on the seat does distribute more of the weight toward the rear of the scooter. This hasn't been a problem for me, but it does cause wheel spin on the front wheel, especially when starting off quick. And here's a great way to burn out your tires if you're looking to get new ones like me. I have this seat for a few months now and it's been working great. Besides the joy and relaxation it has provided, I have not had any problem with it. I highly recommend this seat if you're looking for a detachable seat for your scooter. If you're interested in this particular one, I have included a link in the description, so check it out. Other than that, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I have made more videos like this that I'll be posting up soon, so you don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video.